Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the multiplying money. Okay. Practice 2. So multiply. I hope you know how to. We did multiplication, right? In the same way you have to do here also. Multiply. First one. $42.25 into 7. 7 5s are 'So answer is rupees 295.75. Understood? In the same way you have to multiply all. I'll do C. Okay, that's 2-digit multiplication. 78.50 into 12. We have to add. So answer is rupees 942. Okay. Understood? This is how you have to do rest of them. It's a homework. Okay. Next, solve the word problems. Sonali's friend Diksha also visited the Sun Temple with her family. The entry fee was 25 rupees 0.50 per person. If they were 4 members in total, how much did they spend on entry tickets? So, entry tickets per person is rupees 25.50. So total members 4. We have to multiply this. Okay. So total how much? 102 rupees. Okay. They spent total they spend rupees 102. Understood? Next, Diksha bought 5 miniature replicas of the Sun Temple, each priced at 35 rupees 25 paise. How much did she spend in total? So, B. Price of a miniature is rupees 35.25. Okay. She bought how many? She bought 5. So we have to multiply this. So total she spent 176.25, 176.25 paise. Okay. Next, C. Diksha's father hired a local guide for rupees 30.50 per hour. If the tour lasted for 3 hours, how much did he pay the guide in all? So, per hour is rupees 30.50, right? So, for 3 hours, I have to multiply by 3. So answer is rupees 91.50. Total he paid. Total he paid 91 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Next, D. Another family bought a temple tour package that included entry fee, guide service, and a water bottle for 45 rupees 50 paise per person. If a family of 6 members availed the package, how much did they spend in total? So this is also same. So tour package for a person is rupees 45.50. So total members 6. I have to multiply. So total they spent rupees 273. Understood? For this we finished our practice 2, that is multiplying money. Tomorrow we will see dividing money. Okay? Thank you.